have the honor in your presence, sir, to exchange this contract and a sign to show our commitment in implementing whatever is in this document to the satisfaction of the public of Uganda.
Okay.
All vehicles whose registration number plates have been withdrawn by the police and returned to the licensing officer after accident and having been deemed not roadworthy shall be subject to the mandatory inspection before the number plates are returned and the vehicle is registered. And all vehicles that have been modified will be subject to mandatory roadworthiness.
We had this facility, but was being manned by the Uganda Police, and it would stop on onward driving fast, then stopping rapidly to check whether the vehicle is in a good mechanical condition or not. But the technology has changed, and the government decided that we should privatize this sector. And by privatizing it, our intention was to get rid of inefficiencies, especially within the government sector and police.